Welcome back to another video from Lord Gizmo. Today we'll be going over a number of incredible machines and some attachments for them. Remember to like the video and subscribe if you enjoy the content. The PDX-1000 is a post-driver tool that can be attached to skid steers and excavators. It is used for driving fence posts and other similar needs. Because the urethane caps are at both ends of the breaker, it significantly reduces vibrations and noise. They isolate the breaker from hitting the mounting plate directly. Furthermore, all mechanical work is performed within a tightly sealed nitrogen-charged housing, making the driver's job more comfortable. The BOMAG BMP8500 is an articulated, radio-controlled, multi-purpose compactor. With an operating weight of just under 1.6 tons, the multi-purpose compactor achieves outstanding compaction results in soil compaction in trench, sewer, and pipeline construction. It is robust enough to bear any accidents. You can even throw heavy stones on it, or it can be dropped off from a height. However, it has an AI system for the safety of others that makes it stop when someone is close to it. You are now looking at the MASTENBROEK 4020, which is a drainage trencher. It has a powerful heavy-duty chain blade that incorporates the latest technology to install on-grade drainage with greater efficiency and repeatability. The whole machine weighs around 29 tons and has a 388 horsepower Volvo engine. The trench blade is 2.2 meters long and 450 millimeters wide, and it can be pivoted 6 degrees from the center to both sides. The C485 is a 180 centimeter wide mowing boat that comes equipped with a variety of tools, including propulsion augers. It has a 3mm thick steel hull which is integrated with 2 watertight bulkheads. This separates the control compartment from the bow and the engine compartment. Also, the boat has a fully enclosed deck and a tool carrier with a quick-release system on the front of the boat for attaching various tools. The C485 is safer to work with and more comfortable for the operator. In short, this boat is way ahead of its time. The Hydro Trike is a liquid manure processor unique in look because of a fifth mid-wheel at its front. The purpose of this big wheel is to ensure stable performance in hilly and undulating terrain. Drive to the mid-wheels is provided by a self-contained system. The Hydro Trike is designed by incorporating state-of-the-art technology, including NIR sensors which automatically vary manure delivery according to land composition and record the data. You can attach different arms and attachments with it. Indeed, it's an engineering masterpiece. The CITYCAT V20 is a unique cleaning solution for urban areas. It has 3 rotating brushes and a 200mm wide suction hose. Every brush cleans the content coming along and sends it to the suction hose. The CITYCAT features up to a 1-ton payload, combined with a 2 cubic meter hopper and 425 liters of water for maximum autonomy. The PTH Eco Crusher 250 combines a stone crusher and a forest mulcher. It works well on stony farmland, rural roads, and forest mulching. Its working width can be adjusted from 59 to 79 inches. The PTH Eco is powered by an attached tractor that produces around 300 horsepower. It can break through all types of natural stone, as well as mulchwood of up to 30 centimeters and softwood of up to 50 centimeters. The PTH Eco is also suitable for use on frozen ground. The Q17Z is an attachable arm crane used for handling wood logs. It has an 11-meter-long arm that increases the handling speed of cranes. Its well-proven master drive system guarantees comfort and protection for the driver. The hydraulic pilot control also ensures unmatched precision. It's also been designed to be more user-friendly. No more hose package between the main boom and the crane base. The slewing distributor can be demounted without disassembling the crane. The DAMCON tree pruner is a saw blade attachment that rotates 360 degrees around the tree. It is used for conical pruning of small trees, especially Christmas trees. The trimming concept of DAMCON is very straightforward. The operator sets it up on each tree, the blade moves in a circular path around the tree, and chops off all the needless bits. The SAVANNAH Global Model 1720 is an amazing stump puller tractor attachment. It's able to pull stumps 4 to 23 inches in diameter under a variety of soil conditions. After removal, the rotary rake tumbles the stumps into windrows free of soil to be burned or ground in the field. At an optimal drive speed of 3 to 4.5 miles per hour, it is able to cover 3 to 4 acres per hour. Hey guys, thanks for watching our video. If you enjoyed, please leave a like and subscribe to our channel. Make sure to hit that notification bell to get notified when we release new content.